There are lots of ways to cook on a sheet pan, but they're often wasteful or messy, and not everything takes the same amount of time to cook. We knew there had to be a better way. Introducing cheat sheets, a completely new approach to sheet pan cooking. Oven-safe non-stick silicone dividers that will streamline your cooking and divide your ingredients to make one-pan meals a breeze. With cheat sheets, you can separate your foods by cooking time, so that you can easily remove ingredients when they're ready and never overcook them again. We've also created an easy timing guide, so you'll get great results every time. They're also perfect for meal prep, letting you cook all of your ingredients with better control and greater efficiency, and buying multiple sets lets you mix up your meal prep and keep it interesting. But it's not all about healthy eating. You can also have fun baking your favourite desserts, and because you can separate flavours, you can easily please even the pickiest of eaters. And the best part, cheat sheets are zero waste and naturally non-stick, so you'll never have to scrub another sheet pan again.
Hi, Chris here from Prepped. We are so excited to be back on Kickstarter with our fourth product. We created cheat sheets to reinvent sheet pan cooking and make it easier and more enjoyable to cook in the oven every single day. We've already started tooling, but we need your help to move into production. So please back us and let's make home cooking better together.